On the road again. I'm gonna get there nice and early. Okay. Like I'm always so close. Today is March 6th, I think. I'm so pumped today, guys. Today I'm doing like my first collaboration with someone. I'm going to do a photo shoot, which I'm super pumped about. I'm really nervous because despite the fabulous pictures, guys, I am not a model. I like to take my own pictures because I can see what's going on. So the fact that I can't see what's going on is like disturbing my mental. But I'm still pumped because this is just like the beginning of, you know, really letting the creative side of my life take like a forefront. So, you know, this is just the beginning and I anticipate more shoots happening. So if I don't get prepared now, I'm gonna be looking crazy later on down the line. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing it with my friend Brittany. We went to high school together. She is a awesome photographer. Like literally when she was like, Cass, do you wanna, I said, me? Girl, of course I would like to be behind your lens. Are you insane? So yeah, we're going to a studio. It's like real professional, y'all. Like I feel like fabulous. Like she already has me feeling like I'm top tier, you know what I mean? Like I feel like I'm a professional because of her. So I'm super pumped about it. I'm driving downtown now. It is currently 9:03 and she booked the studio for 10 to 11:30. I'm not trying to stay downtown at all for anything more than this photo shoot. Now I may swing by an Ulta because I really want to try the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, or not pomade, the brow freeze or whatever. As you guys know, I am embracing and loving my fluffy brows, but I just want to wait to kind of slick them. Anyways, it's like basically like a laminating gel to hold your brows together, and I really want to try it because I love the Got2b, but it leaves so much residue because it's so sticky and it's a hair gel. So I want to see if the Anastasia Beverly Hills one is gonna, you know, kind of get rid of that. I tried the Makeup Revolution soap brow the other day. Did not like it. So yeah, I am, what was I gonna say? So yeah, the most time I do after this photo shoot is go to the Ulta downtown because they always have everything in stock downtown. They don't have it close by my house. It's been out of stock online as well. So I'm gonna just see if they have it at that Ulta. But besides that, it's All-Star Weekend, and as y'all know, we're in the parallelogram and Atlanta has like not been in the parallelogram with us. So I am not really trying to be in the mix for real. I just want to do what I have to do and go home. I want no smoke at all. Like the traffic, I can already tell, like it's only 9 a.m. and I know by the time I finish the shoot, the traffic is probably gonna be crazy because I know the brunches are going up today. I know the day parties are going up. You don't have to lie to me about nothing. So yeah, so once I get there, I will try to set you guys up somewhere so we can keep chatting. I did my makeup this morning. I laid my wig since last night and I just added some more curls this morning. I think it looks good. I'm trying not to like be super dramatic about like, you know, my makeup and hair and stuff like that, just because I have to do it and I'm not a professional. So it's just supposed to be fun, lighthearted. She said she wants to capture my essence, and I just hope that she can like literally guide me. I feel like I'm gonna be like a Barbie and she has to really like pose me because what can we do? All right guys, let me concentrate on the road and we'll talk later.
and see if it looks like the It doesn't have to be exact, but I do like the green.
Okay.